Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Kindle Paperwhite storage and performance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify the storage and performance of your Kindle Paperwhite, first, power on your device. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Actions menu. Tap on the Settings gear icon to open the Settings menu. Scroll down and select Device Options. In the Device Options menu, tap on Storage. You will now see a breakdown. Note the amount of storage used by books, audiobooks, and documents. If your storage is nearly full, consider deleting content you no longer need. To perform a quick performance check, exit the settings and return to the home screen. Open a book to test loading times. Tap on different pages to see how quickly they respond. Next, return to the home screen and check the responsiveness of the user interface. If you experience lag or delays, it may indicate a need for a restart. To restart, press and hold the power button until the power dialog appears. Select Restart and wait for the device to reboot. Once it's back on, repeat the performance checks to see if there's improvement. Lastly, check for software updates by going back to Settings. Select Device Options, then tap on Advanced Options. Regularly monitoring your storage and performance can help maintain your Kindle Paperwhite's efficiency. With these steps, you'll be able to manage your device effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.